It has been made very recently, so I don't have further details on that, but for sure we'll update you with the matter as we progress with those negotiations. Smita, again, I have already answered those questions of yours when I talked about, the question of ceasefire as to who decided, what were the terms, when it happened, etc. So I would urge you to look at those comments of mine. I've told you that we have conveyed our position. I conveyed our position here on record, so I will request you to look at that. On the matter of PK Sahu, I don't have an update, so possibly we'll get you an update, but these are matters which pertain to the Ministry of Defense and they are looking into it. Again, Suhasini, on ceasefire, I've made India's position very clear, where we stand. So I would urge you to look at my comments. On the other question that you had, and possibly it had come up in the conversation or the press conference yesterday, there we have, I would say that we have obviously taken note of this. I direct your attention to the comments in the defense briefing about the extent of their effectiveness or otherwise. नीरज, आपके दो सवाल। प्रधानमंत्री की बात अमेरिका के उपराष्ट्रपति जेडी वांस से हुई थी और उस दरमियान जो बातचीत हुई थी दोनों नेताओं के बीच में, उसके आपको अवगत भी कराया गया है। जहां तक अवामी लीग की बात है, the ban on the Awami League without due process is a concerning development. As a democracy, India is naturally concerned at curtailment of democratic freedoms and shrinking political space. We strongly support the early holding of free, fair and inclusive elections in Bangladesh. जो अवामी लीग पे बैन लगा है वो एक चिंता का विषय है। एक जो लोकतांत्रिक प्रणाली में एक तरीका होता है सब काम करने का, वो ड्यू प्रोसेस को दरकिनार करके किया गया है। एक लोकतंत्र के रूप में भारत जो वहां पर लोकतांत्रिक आजादी को रोका जा रहा है और जो वहां पर राजनीतिक गतिविधियों के लिए जो दायरा है वो कम हो रहा है, इसको लेके हम लोग चिंतित हैं। और साथ में हमारा ये मानना है, हमारा ये आह्वान है कि बांग्लादेश में जल्द से जल्द एक निष्पक्ष और समावेशी चुनाव कराया जाए।